So now we need 25 grams of all-purpose flour. Look at the number. When it reaches 10, you tell Mama, okay? Coconut oil, 12 grams. Okay, now you pour the coconut oil into this bowl, mixing bowl. Very good. So now you're gonna mix the sugar with oil. Come on. And you hold the bowl. Mix the sugar with. Oh, here. This is the scale. So now you turn it on. Which button is on? No, the pink button. Okay, now I put this ball in, and then you press the tail. Okay, then I put some mulberry. You put down there. Okay, how much? Okay, don't move. 20 gram, exact number, exact amount. Okay, turn it off. Okay, we need some baking powder, just 1 gram, okay? I give one to you, you smash. Yeah, I give one to you. Smash, use 2 hands. Smash, put them into. Okay, now we need to put all the all-purpose flour here. Mix them. Okay, mix them. Mix them up. You keep mixing like this. Keep mixing. Oh, it seems that you are enjoying it. Keep mixing, please, darling. Now we put our mulberry here. Your mouth. Nào, bé xíu xíu đi. Nào, lấy cái mắt sáng sạch thôi. Come here. Look. I give you a bit, just like this one. Put them all together. 你知道? Put them all together. Mama, shake them slowly like this. Can you try? Slowly. No, don't be so hard. Gently like this. No, don't be like that. Gently. You know, press your whole finger on it. Don't press your whole finger on it. Gently. Look at Mama. Do. Không tắt cầm tài lên cơ giải. Đúng. Mày cầm tài lên. Guys, you know why we need to bake these cookies? Because we want to make a gift for a friend, the technician. So you can only have 1 piece, okay? For the rest, we're gonna send them to our friend technician, okay? To wish him a belated Happy New Year. Because he really did us a big favor. He borrowed his car to us while we didn't have a car to use. While Suzuki was being sent to a garage. Right? Right? So what do you say? You say, thank you, darling. You say it. Look at her. You say, thank you. Okay, Open the door, please. Open the door, please. Let's go. So, are you ready?
Go.
You know where we're going? We are going to a
What?
garage. You know who we are seeing? We are giving the mulberry cookies to technician. So we're gonna say thank you. A big thank you to him because he borrowed his car to us when we didn't have a car to use, okay? Let's go!
Go.